I'm Kimberly Fields. I'm the interim dean for teacher education at Albany State University. In our department, we have programs in early childhood, special education. And in those two programs, what we found is that the early childhood candidates as well as the special education candidates were not very knowledgeable or valued each other's work. Additionally, we found that the early childhood candidates and the special education candidates were not well prepared in content areas and strategies. So what we decided to do is we combine our early childhood program with our special education program so that when candidates complete, they will be highly qualified as well as fully certified in both early childhood and special education. What we also wanted to do was to create a STEM focus. So individuals have a very concentrated set of coursework in science and mathematics courses. We initially worked to revise our curriculum. We had a team of reviewers to come in to take a look at standards that would be needed for each of the combined program. Those standards related to our state standards, Georgia Professional Standards, as well as the CEC standards, the NACE standards, and NCATE standards, which will become the CAPE standards. Programs were reviewed. We mapped our curriculum to ensure that the coursework that we were providing to this new combined program would fully prepare the candidates for that content as well as strategies. We then created a program of study, recruited our students, and worked to get them ready for the implementation, which occurred fall 2013 in the current semester. In addition to creating that combined program, we also created cohorts so that candidates would not be taking courses in isolation. They would be taking those combined courses with a focus. If the focus was on language arts and social science, they would have those courses in one block. They would also have a newly created practicum course which concentrated on the content as well as the connections to the field placements that were occurring. The faculty co-taught those courses. They engaged candidates in conversations so that both the faculty and the candidates would meet that goal of not only valuing and having an appreciation for each other's work, but felt that they were fully knowledgeable about each other's content and work. We've had very good results. This is, of course, the first implementation. However, we feel very confident that this will be successful. The last thing that we did to support the candidates as they move into their classrooms is we also were approved to have P through 5 science endorsements and P through 5 mathematics endorsements. We hope to pull these undergraduate candidates into our master's program so that we can continue the work we started with them as initial candidates.